Now you should recall that if you want to turn a light on, you would just connect one side of the light to a high voltage and one side of the light to a low voltage. So in our case with our LED, if we just wanted to power our LED, we would connect one side of our LED, the VCC, into the high voltage, and we would connect the other side of our LED to a low voltage, which is the ground. This would cause our light to be on all the time. But we want to write a code where we can actually turn the light on and off. So instead of connecting the other side of our LED to the ground state or the low voltage, we're going to connect it to one of our pins. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to pin 1. So right now, one of my pins is connected to a high voltage and the other is connected to a pin. And I can choose whether that pin has a high voltage or a low voltage. If I make it a low voltage, it'll be like it was before, where I have a high voltage and a low voltage state, and electrons will flow from high to low. If I choose to make pin 1 a high voltage, then my LED is going to be connected to a pin with a high voltage and a pin with a high voltage. There's no voltage difference, and so no electrons will flow. So the way I've wired this is that I can control what voltage is on pin 1, and in doing that, I can control whether there's a voltage difference between the two pins.